Hello and welcome again to TNV Academy. In this session, we'll be exploring an important aspect of ISO 14001, Environmental Management Systems Operational Control. Operational control is about ensuring that the day-to-day activities of an organization are managed in a way that minimizes negative impacts on the environment and aligns with the organization's environmental objectives. Under ISO 14001, operational control is implemented to control risks associated with significant environmental aspects, ensure that legal and regulatory requirements are consistently met, embed environmental responsibility into every level of operations. Let's break this down into key components. Identifying critical activities. Operational control begins with identifying processes, products, and services that have a significant impact on the environment. These are often highlighted during the environmental aspect and impact assessment phase. For example, manufacturing processes generating emissions or waste, energy-intensive operations, handling and storage of hazardous materials, establishing procedures and criteria. Once critical activities are identified, organizations must establish documented procedures or work instructions to control these activities. These procedures must include clear criteria to ensure processes are performed consistently and in line with environmental goals. For instance, instructions for proper waste segregation and disposal, operating standards for machinery to reduce emissions, maintenance schedules to improve energy efficiency. Control of outsourced activities. Operational control extends beyond internal processes. Organizations are responsible for ensuring that contractors, suppliers, and outsourced services providers comply with environmental requirements. This may involve including specific clauses in contracts or conducting audits of external partners. Monitoring and measurement. Operational control isn't a set it and forget it approach. Organizations must regularly monitor controlled activities to ensure compliance and effectiveness. For example, measuring emissions and discharge to ensure they remain within permissible limits. Conducting regular inspections of storage facilities for hazardous materials. Emergency preparedness. Operational control also involves preparing for emergencies that could arise from operational activities. This includes developing response plans for spills, leaks, or other environmental incidents. Training employees to act swiftly and effectively in crisis situations. Integration into the EMS. All these operational controls must align with the broader objectives of the environmental management system. This integration ensures that the controls are part of a seamless process that drives continuous improvement. In conclusion, we can say that operational control is the backbone of ISO 14001. It turns the principles of environmental responsibility into actionable, measurable practices. By implementing robust controls, organizations not only reduce their environmental footprint but also enhance compliance and efficiency. Thank you for joining us in the discussion on operational control in ISO 14001. Stay tuned for more insights as we continue exploring the path to environmental excellence. If you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.